Hello, I'm on a 2017 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down and look for this latch. This lever will pull. That pop sound was the safety release, and it holds it closed. If this is just loose, double check that this cable is attached behind, as if there's no cable, you might need to reattach that. Hello. In the front here, there's a lever here. Kind of catching. With this lever we pushed and lift. Here you go. But this is what that lever looked like. There's where it's hooked onto. Yeah, double check there's no debris in here, nothing broken or bent. Nothing needs cleaned up. If it's really sticking a lot, which this kind of is, I might try some WD-40 to loosen this. And then also make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because that could also cause you issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.